000, make my first guideline. It's going to be bald. Then I will take my trimmer right after to clean it up. That is my first guideline. Then I'm going to take my one blade, create the next guideline going up 1/4 of an inch. Maybe a tad bit more for a smoother blend. Now I'm going to come with my adjustable clipper, going from open halfway to close. Close being at the first guideline to make that line disappear that I made in the beginning. Open halfway, close. Every time you scooch down on the knot, you should scooch down with your adjustable clipper. Now we're going to go to the 1.5 blade, make another 1/4 of an inch section, and get ready to blend that out. Next, I'll be using the 1A blade on my detachable clipper, staying underneath this area that I made with the 1.5 blade. Always use your comb. Make sure you cut everything the same length in each section. Next, take your adjustable, open the blade all the way up, and feather at that faint line underneath the 1A. Should come out perfect. Now, taking a larger guard, a number 3 guard on my adjustable clipper, using this to take bulk out and to get ready to finish off the final touches of the blend. Next, to take the 2 guard on my adjustable clipper, moving closer to the line that I made with the 1.5,
she was bad, but she was going
and cutting the hair. It will not look like you're doing much. Just trust the process. From the 2, of course, I'll be dropping down to the 1.5
Let's go to American Death.
and dropping down a little more in the haircut, closer to the line that was left. We're going to drop down each time until that line disappears. Now that I've got to the 1.5 and the line is not completely gone, I will take the 1 guard, open it up on my adjustable clipper, and feather at that line till our blend is complete. Now that my fading system is complete, I will do polish work by taking the 3 guard on my adjustable clipper, coming with the grain, going from the 3 guard, 2 guard, 1.5 guard, all with the grain just to give it a smoother look.
Some real food that's warm, or
Now that you see me shape up the nape, I will move to the front of the line Lightly fade the hair down so that as you shape it up and you comb the hair does not move or the line disappears once it's combed or brushed. I am going to enhance his hairline, but as you can see, the natural hairline itself is sharp before any enhancements are applied. I will be using my fiber product as an enhancement, but my key to enhancement with fibers is to spray the spritz before applying the fibers, but also applying the fibers before the spritz dry up, remembering to use only a very light coat of fibers. After lightly using the fiber and shaping up the hair as you desire, use the Got To Be Glue's Freeze Spray to hold the fibers in with the hair, giving a crispier, longer lasting enhancement. Here's the final look. This guy eventually wants comb coils. Like, subscribe, check me out, G the Barber 101 underscore GTHA Barber 101 underscore for Instagram.
Teach